Hello, in front of me I have got Pro and Liberty. In this video I'll show you how to change appearance of your character. In the beginning, let's go to menu and enter Mirror Booty. Go to change appearance, and to change appearance you need appearance change ticket. In order to acquire it, go to special shop and select appearance change ticket. But to buy it you need special currency named Lucent, and it can be bought via games website. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.